Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the job that we finished in the MAZDA Tribute 2006 model, and this one come with the standard factory radio, and now it is already has it already has the 9-inch full package wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and on the screen you are seeing here is wireless Android Auto system. We also fit in the 8 Pioneer component speakers into the car, replacing all those factory speakers. So you see driver over there, and you see the tweeter on the side, and you see the tweeter on the side, Pioneer, and you see this driver down there, and you see the tweeter over here. You see the driver and factory speaker, factory head unit, and another down here is the tweeter, the Pioneer's tweeter. And yep, we also fit in the full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, so it's very simple, easy to use. And if you put it in reverse, it shows up reverse camera and instantly move back to the Android Auto and reverse. And yep, and all the steering wheel controls working normal as it should in the new system. And you see that when I'm pressing the button here, it actually changing the volume. So far, yep, that's about the system. 9-inch fit into the MAZDA Tribute, fit like factory fit everywhere, looks beautiful, matching into that. Every single gap is beautiful like factory fit. Alright, thanks again for watching, and if you want to see how the wireless Apple CarPlay system is running, please have a look at another video in our channel. Thanks again, and see you on next one.